Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Little Hand. Today we are going to make super fun color matching activity using popsicle sticks. Just draw few outlines of the popsicle sticks on simple white paper. Fill it with different colors and make super easy activity at home. This simple activity is a great way to build color recognition, focus, and fine motor skills. This also helps a toddler learn colors, matching skills, and focus while having fun at home. You can easily make this at home using colored sticks and paper. Perfect for toddlers, preschoolers, and early learners. Thanks for watching. Happy Little Hand.